Calgary
cruising.
Flames
I need to
on
get out of the way
Boney.
here. They're going so fast. Woo!
But I think that was the choice of airman.
And I don't think either of us know.
City planners on red.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Rainbow Soapbox. Over 50 soapboxes standing by. I'm here in the pits, checking them out. They're ironing out a few last-minute details before the race gets underway in less than 30 minutes. Now, we do know that somebody did bring...
The advantage is you get the other screen, right? But here you get. Ay, Yolanda. Watch my feet.
Still gotta embrace it. When it's from the bottom, it's a different foundation.
Our home and native land.
Here come the reports. A little slippery on there.
Folks, the louder you cheer, the faster the cart goes.
And from up here, I mean, we can't really see them after the left turn, so we really needed to cheer down there so we know how they're doing.
Safely over the Walter Dale Bridge. That will be a point of contention with some teams.
We've learned dangerous early on, but it seems like they're not getting it quite well. Look at those little barriers flapping in the wind. They're coming up to the Cal Tire kicker.
Wow, a lot of air. They took that. We have a mustache. It fell off. But I think that was the choice of airman. We've lost the coffee cup.
We have a man down, but he seems to be doing all right. They're scattered across the course. They're still going though. They've got the need for speed, flash fuel. Still going. Make some noise for them.
This could be our first craft with shocks. So they thought of the Cal Tire jump, and I think they're going to be able to take it quite nicely. Yeah.
ME A slow and steady wins the race. Look at them cruise over that hockey board. They're going. Taking an easy ride in Edmonton today. Wacky is cruising or bruising. Will they be offside? Or are they going to cross the finish line? Let's see here.
Real fast.
I think it's the fastest soapbox of the day so far. A twerking cow was not on my bingo card for today.
And the sound design award goes to driving much straighter than when they had this.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's go!
They
have a
are
Calgary
cruising.
Flames
I need to
on
get out of the way
Boney.
here. They're going so fast.
Volkswagen dealership here, and we're all big fans. So we based our craft off T2 bus and made a fire truck themed, and yeah, we're saving lives one squirt at a time.
So this is the Dragon Ball Z craft that we just alluded to.
Inspired by those very old dinosaurs. And who doesn't love dinosaurs, right? My 4-year-old nephew is losing his mind right now.
Can we tell how your neighborhood Dino Phase? Interesting card name.
Yeah, that was supposed to be a filler. No, it's great. Our dinosaur is really goofy, and we want to represent it with our name. Dino McDino Face. It's really great. Hit it.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. 8, 9, 8, and 9. One of the best scores of the day. Well done, Jurassic Park. Just slaying it. Well, they're loving it. That's a tough score to beat for an obstacle.
Lisa, my jaw is still on the floor.
It looks beautiful and we cruise along. These berries are loved by the crowd down here. The Gus Bus has crossed the finish line. A little out of control, but killing it at 33K. Well done. The boys are rolling.
They're coming, here they come.
The boys looking good. Lots of you calories.
Oh, here comes the beaver. The beaver's coming.
Looks like this beaver just had a first round there. Wow, this was
Oh, he's coming fast.
Fast Soapbox for sure.
How was the impact right in front of
Wow,
I'm pretty sure my 80-pound golden retriever is way nicer.
Go ahead.
Well, we